Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Soil health infers a stable soil system in which chemical, physical, and biological components are in equilibrium. Cover crops produce organic matter which can be advantageous for soil health and plant parasitic nematode suppression. The advantages are not only biological, but chemical and physical as well, which reinforces the need for balance on all levels in the soil environment. Nematodes are responsible for certain functions in soil. They decompose organic matter and control nutrient cycling, are responsible for the distribution of biomass, modify the soil structure, and are highly sensitive to changes in their environment. Nematodes function well in poor and healthy soils, making them a reliable method to assess the impacts of soil management practices. Nematodes are also easily extracted and identified using morphological techniques. This image illustrates the fundamental positions occupied by nematodes in the soil food web, which are the second, third, and fourth trophic levels. The aim of the study is to determine the effect of cover crops on the nematode community in an apple orchard. These are the treatments. Treatment B1 involves chemical control of weeds in the tree row and slashing in the working row. B2, grain cover crops. B3 comprises nitrogen-fixing cover crops. B4 is a grain and nitrogen-fixing species mixture. And B5, biofumigant cover crops. This orchard was planted in 2012 on treated soil, which was previously planted with apples. Samples were collected before planting from each of the trial sites. This indicated very low overall numbers of nematodes, with the B3 site having the highest population and the B4 site the lowest. 6 families occurred, of which none were plant parasitic nematodes. Tylenchidae, fungivorous nematodes, and Cephalobidae, bacteriovorous nematodes were the most significant families present. Tylenchidae decreased in some sites, while Cephalobidae is still significant. Dorylimidae, omnivorous nematodes, are present in all the treatments in numbers that have considerably increased from previous results. This is a positive response since these nematodes occupy positions in the fourth trophic level of the soil food web. Their presence indicates a greater food web structure compared to previous results. Here we can see a problem start to arise in that plant parasitic nematodes, Paratrichoderus from the family Trichodoridae and Patylynchus from the family Patylynchidae are present in numbers close to or already exceeding the economic threshold level. Paratrichoderus has an economic threshold level of 30 nematodes present in 250 milliliters of soil. Treatments B2, B3, and B4 all exceed this threshold level. Patylynchus has a threshold of 200 nematodes in soil and roots. In this study, we only look at nematodes present in soil, and B2 and B3 exceed 200 nematodes. The Dorylimidae levels have decreased since in most of the samples. Patylynchus levels have seriously increased since sampling in October 2014, with nematode numbers exceeding 400 nematodes per 250 milliliters. B5 has 1,116 Patylynchus present. The Dorylimidae are almost non-existent now. The faunal analysis clearly illustrates a decline in the soil food web structure. In 2012, the faunal analysis indicated results varying from a matured system to enriched and structured to degraded conditions. In 2013, most of the treatments indicated enriched and unstructured conditions, with one treatment indicating a matured system. In 2014, 4 out of the 5 treatments indicated a decline in enrichment and degraded conditions. One treatment still indicates disturbance, but also enrichment and minimal structure. In 2015, however, all treatments are resource depleted with minimal structure and enrichment. In the work row where the various cover crops are applied, the 2013 results are indicating mostly enriched and structured conditions. This is good considering it indicates a maturing system with structure. One treatment is indicating a matured system. However, in 2014, all the treatments are indicating resource depletion and minimal structure and enrichment. In 2015, yet again, this indicates a resource depleted system with marginal structure and enrichment. So now both the tree and the work row systems are stressed. So to conclude, cover crop management has a distinct impact on the nematode population. There's a definite increase in the Patylynchus in this orchard, which could be due to apples being an excellent host, in addition to unbalanced biotic soil conditions. The decreased numbers of Dorylimidae and high numbers of basal nematodes, such as Cephalobidae, indicate a stressed system. All of this could be ascribed to the current continued disturbance in the soil in the work row through management practices, such as the maceration and incorporation of cover crops as a green manure, which may well have a disturbance impact in the soil environment. Sampling over time will indicate the way forward and reveal if a balanced soil food web will be achieved. We'd just like to acknowledge the funders. Thank you.